What's going on, guys? It's Jesse at Humble Crew Auto Spa here in my new shop in Carrollton. And I wanted to walk you guys through the very first car that we tackled here. So this is a brand new 2024 Cadillac Lyriq, which is Cadillac's new electric vehicle. This car competes directly with the Tesla Model Y, although it honestly is more of a Model X sized vehicle. But a lot of Tesla owners will be cross-shopping this vehicle because it's just a different take on the electric car. And so you can see it's got really cool lines on it, really interesting angles, and really awesome paint. So with our client here, they wanted to protect this new vehicle from rock chips. They wanted to keep this gloss looking amazing, but they also needed to keep this on a budget. The packages that they ended up choosing were our 7-year System X ceramic coating package, which includes a full 2-step paint correction before we seal in the paint with the System X ceramic coating. And so this is what's giving it that nice, deep wetness that you're seeing here. Now, they wanted to do the full body clear bra, but they just didn't have the budget to do it. And so I advised the client to just protect the largest panels of the vehicle. So that's the full hood, as well as this kind of glass grill area that can be pretty delicate and prone to rock chips, right? And so these two areas, the areas that we decided to cover in clear bra, and we were able to meet our client's needs for his budget, but also give him everything he needed and nothing he didn't. So you can see like the edges of this clear bra look really, really good, nice and tucked in, no drama at all, right? I mean, just nice clean edge. And so you can barely even tell that it's there. So this panel does not have clear bra and the hood does, right? But if you look at the paint difference, it's pretty much no different at all. This clear bra is so clear, and you would think all clear bra is the same, but it's not. And so this is a product called SunTech Ultra. I really like that film because, again, there's almost no difference in the appearance of the film versus the paint. And so if you're like this client where, you know, you have a nice car and you want it polished out, you want that paint looking amazing. I mean, look at that. Wow. I'll tell you what, Tesla paint don't look like that. Oh man, it looks so good. If you want to protect your car's paint, but you need to do it on a budget, we've got several packages that will make sense. I always say, if you want to take care of your car, then we want you as a client. If you'd like this package on your vehicle, we're running 25% off here in Carrollton, and I'd love to have you as a client. It's Jesse at Humble Crew Auto Spa, signing out.